So guys, this is a recap of the trade I took on Monday 11 in the morning AM. It was a very nice setup. I really like the whole trade idea. I took it with confidence. I really did believe that it's just crossing down, to be honest, but it is what it is. That's what trading is about, and I'm here to do a market breakdown with you guys to explain why I took this trade. And it just wicked us out and just went straight to my take profit. But those losses are the ones that make you like, I really like losing and losing with a wick out, because you can't avoid losses are gonna be there. Just deal with it. This is your business expenses. You don't really have business expenses, but one of them is taking a loss based on your strategy. So let's get into it. Weekly time frame, it is bearish. Of course, we were waiting for our new lower high, lower low. As I said, if you go and watch my last video where I'm breaking down my weekly pairs for the upcoming week, I uploaded on Sunday. I'm telling that I really want to see the new lower high and the new lower low here. So that's the main reason. Then we're going on the daily time frame, which we're having a very nice head and shoulders pattern on the, now I didn't mark it so well, but I'm gonna fix it. And this was from up here, perfect. And then left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and then the break. And I was anticipating in this very nice daily area of interest, which has many multiple touches. That price has, like, its areas of interest is like a solid like floor. It's basically the more times that the price has been there and tested zone, that means that this area of interest is valid. So knowing that, having both direction on the weekly and on the daily telling me the whole story, direction and story, those two time frames, that's their job. 4 hour time frame, oh, again, and their job also, besides the story and the direction, is to find a zone, because the bigger the time frame, the more respected the zone. So when those two time frames has done their job and has done their part, then we're going on the 4 hour time frame, which again, my beloved friend head and shoulders, even cleaner, has been forming as well below the EMA and retesting again. But when I took the trade, that wasn't right there. It was around this area. We have already retested EMA, so I was anticipating for the push to the downside. I saw the slowdown combined with the 1 hour 30-minute time frame break of structure. That's what I'm anticipating. That's what I like. On the 30-minute time frame, the structure gave me a very nice head and shoulders again with the break. I love when the head and shoulder at the end of the head, it breaks the structure. So from bullish we're going bearish, because that's the lower, this is the higher low and this is the higher high. Then comes back to give me the right shoulder below the EMA. So we have first break the structure, then we break it with the head and shoulders at the end of the head, which is the best way for me, and then retesting the EMA while we're creating the right shoulder. And for those who are gonna say this, you trading a head and shoulders pattern, that's not real, guys, the market repeat itself all the time. Now, you wanna name it head and shoulders, you wanna name it, I don't know why, I don't know what, do it. But that pattern works in every single time frame. It's been repeatedly. Just pay attention more. So when that happened and price start to pushing, I'm like, I was so confident that price is about to keep on going to the downside. 50-minute time frame as well, double top formation below the EMA with a great break of structure, again with a even more aggressive head and shoulders here and here. I missed one of the, wait guys, Exactly. So this here, super aggressive, tapping, giving another retest, and I was like, after this one I was so confident that it's gonna have a small retest here and gonna break. I marked the zone because I saw on the 4-hour time frame that the price, every time it goes there, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, every time that the price was there we had a reaction, so I marked this zone just for me to know. And then on the 50-minute time frame I really like the push to the downside. Then all of a sudden prices came up, went to our stop loss, wicked us out basically, then retest the EMA and start pushing again to the downside. Now that's part of trading. I was on 2-3 winning streak. I had to lose, and what I mean by I had to lose is not that I did it on purpose. Of course I would like to win again, but that's my business, let's say, expense, because I don't have a real business as like building something like a clothing brand or whatever, that which you have the shipping fees, then paying your employees, paying for the ads, whatever. Here your expenses is your losses. You have to lose. It's 50% win rate, then that means that out of 10 times 5 you're gonna win, the 5 you're going to lose. Now the best part about this loss is, first, that I follow my rules. Second, that I really like the trade. That's the most important thing, is following your rules and liking the trade before you taking it will make everything so much easier. The moment I took the trade, I was so happy with this trade and that I caught it, and I was like, now I don't care anymore. Like, whatever it's to happen, it will happen. And then the best part about this loss is that I just barely got wicked out and then crashed to my take profit. That means that I was correct both on the trade, both on the direction. So market is never like it will do the exact same like thing, like just because you entered here every single time it's gonna cross down. Sometimes you might take a little more up, more down, you might miss an entry, you might get wicked out. That's part of the game, but that identifies that your strategy works, your whole story and everything was correct, take profit was hidden, but you just got wicked out. It is what it is. You have to embrace those losses and just keep on moving forward and not try to revenge trade on these ones. So that's all about this recap. Now I'm watching another pair that I have sent inside my community. I did a live stream and also shared it there. I'm not gonna do it in this video because probably it's gonna be a trade that I'm going to take, so it's going to be another YouTube recap for that. If you like those videos and the videos I'm doing on the weekend, that I'm breaking down the whole market for you guys and giving you my top pairs for the week, subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. Like this video and share it so other people can see it. Follow me inside my Discord community, which I'm sharing everything step by step. Inside my Discord community, I'm sharing the before, the after, every single trade I'm taking, and the more people inside the community that actually doing an impact, they will help one another and we're gonna grow a very nice community. But for now, like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell so you don't miss and you get the notifications, and follow me for more.